Kevin, it's not Thanksgiving.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Today.
No one wants to eat you, okay? I'm gonna save you for Thanksgiving. Mom, don't eat the one from Kilimanjaro Island.
No, these are pretty to eat.
Yeah. They're just so cute.
Yeah, we'll eat the ugly ones.
Oh, I can picture cranberry all over this one. And mashed potatoes.
Look at his cool beard, Kevin.
It's a beard. Beard is red.
Look at their faces, are so damn ugly.
What?
Faces are so damn ugly.
What birds?
And whatever that is.
Emu?